Well, hi everybody, we're back, and today we're just going to do something simple just because we have to get it done anyway. We're going to do a oil change on a Mazda. Okay, so let's get started. All we need here are some basic hand tools, a new filter, catch pan, we got some oil to put in her, and our choice of funnels. So let's go ahead and pop the hood. Perfect. Okay, now we've got the oil filter out of the way. We're going to pull the drain plug out. This one appears to be a 13. I've already broken it loose. It was on there pretty good. So, and now, well, I'm going to lose our light here, but spin that.
We can see from the sunshine. It's not too dark.
Oh, this is such a weird angle. Such a beautiful day. We just couldn't resist doing this outside. Just put some cardboard down. Don't make a mess. As I make a mess. Okay, we're gonna wet that drain. It's nice and warm. That'll get it out there, boy. She sure needs changing though. It's black. It's overdue. We use synthetic, so you can get a little more out of it. But you still should change it as often as it needs. Okay, now we're just going to clean and inspect the drain plug. This one doesn't have a magnet in it, so it doesn't have filings on it anyway. It's got a little nylon washer that helps seal it so it doesn't leak. We're just going to clean that up. And that's ready to go back in the car. There you go. Just let it drain. There's still a little bit coming out. That's good. Just let it drain. That's why we got it warm before we started. It just runs out of there a little better and takes more stuff with it, and that's what we want. So yeah, just be patient and let her go for a while. Okay, now we just find and remove the old oil filter. And I've changed this one before, so I know it's not, yeah, I don't even need a wrench for it. But if you do, they have them. You just get the one for the size of your vehicle. So we crack that loose. Now we're going to get the oil pan. I left the light. There we go. Just spin that off. There it comes. Ooh, it's warm too. There you go. And that's that. And we'll let it drain out of there. Okay. We're just gonna fumble first and then replace the drain plug. Try to throw that directly on the ground. Finger tighty. Wrench on her. And that's it. Okay, this car takes 5W20, so we've got some of that right here. We're gonna go with the high mileage because that's what she's got. And we're gonna go ahead and just prime the new filter a little bit. Be careful here. Oh, there she goes. Fill her up. There we go. And then take our little finger here and just put a bead of oil on this rubber so it doesn't seize on there and it seats real nice. Should always do this. You can just use used oil. Just go around. Just get it nice and wet so it comes back off when you need it to later. Now that we've primed it, we're just going to go ahead install the new filter. Oh, come on now. There she goes. And you just want to go pretty tight, about as tight as you can get it by hand, maybe even not that much. Just get it on there good. You don't really need a tool. I mean, we have got one that's stuck. We've got filter wrenches, but that's all she needs. Go ahead and take the oil filler cap off. Put that right up there. Put your funnel in. Start adding your oil. Take out your dipstick. Just check it, see where we're at here. Just starting to register. We're about halfway up. Add a little more. We don't want to overfill it, so need about another half a liter, it looks like. Try it again. Go ahead and check it again. Move it completely off. Oh, that thing's springy. Are we? Oh, we're right on the dot. That's not bad. Can you see that? Kind of get it in light there. That's it. Put the cap back on. Go ahead and start her up. Let it run for a minute, and then we'll check it again. Shut her off. Check her again. See that?
Wipe it off.
Well, we're a little low. We took some up, probably filling up the filter, filling up the engine. That's good. Now we'll add a little more. About half a liter. Let's try that. Check it again. I'm going to call that dead on. Perfect. Okay, we're going to dispose of the old oil in an empty oil container. You can take this to, most garages will take it. You can take it to a recycling center. God, whatever you do, don't pour it down the drain. Always a good time to oil the hood latch while we're under here. Close the hood. While we're here, we're going to add a little sea foam into the gas tank. Just put the whole can there. It's good for the engine, clean out the cylinders and that. And of course, for a little extra horsepower, at least 30 or 40 horsepower, we're gonna add a little octane boost just because we can. Just give her a little sip. You don't want her coming off the ground or anything. There you go. And with that, we're all done. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope this was helpful to somebody. Have a good night. Right, Punky? Oh, you're such a good cat. You're such a good kitty.